Kenny got bald. Kenny got bald.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all have been doing great. So for this video I'm so excited to show you guys how I was able to install this natural looking beautiful U-part wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe and also share this video with your friends. So guys, if you're like me, I don't have a long hair, and my hair takes a long time to grow. Like, I have a very slow growth. So on the days that I feel like wearing a long hair, this is the type of wig to go for. I'm telling you, this is a U-part wig, and as you guys can see, it looks like our natural hair. It looks like a natural 4C hair. I didn't even have to stretch my hair with a heat what's it called, hair straightener. I just used the hot comb. I believe everyone should have this hot comb in their house. I bought mine from Amazon. So I used the hot comb to just comb my hair a little bit, and it just helped my hair to stretch out a little bit. But before you do that, don't forget to apply a heat protectant on your natural hair to protect your natural hair. And I know some people have a very thick 4C hair. This type of hair straightener, this hair comb, hot comb, will be great for thick 4C hair. At least if you use it to comb your hair, at least you can cornrow your hair easily without stress, you know. So guys, if you're wondering, this wig is from Curlsqueen hair company. I'm going to put all the links, specs, everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below, in case if you're interested to check it out. But the great thing about this hair is that nobody is gonna know you're putting on a wig. Like, it just looks like my hair, you know. And you can pack it if you want. If I want now, I'll pack it if I want, because I brought out some hair. I left some hair in front and also on the side, so I can pull everything into like, just pack everything and then off I go. It doesn't, like, it just looked like my hair, but it's way longer, you know. I'm absolutely loving it, and the wig is very soft. It's very nice. Let me stop blabbing and let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, it's very full, very thick. Alright, I'm just gonna do like a simple braiding pattern. I'm gonna bring out like a leave out for a side part, and also I'm also going to bring out like a small portion of my hair in front as well. right here I'm done with the braiding pattern. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. But before that, I'll be cutting out the spare lace in front. So after cutting out the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and wear the wig. So the wig comes with a comb. So I'm trying my best to put the comb in place very well to enable the wig to be very well secured. So to further secure the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and sew the wig down on my hair. Just a little bit of sewing just to keep it tight. Then I'm gonna comb my hair very well and definitely I apply heat protectant, then comb my hair. After that, I'm gonna comb my hair with the hot comb. Just be careful when you're combing your hair with a hot comb so you don't burn yourself, please. So I just decided to apply a little bit of mascara on my edges to give it a more fuller look because my edges are actually giving me problems nowadays. So I just use a little bit of mascara to give it a more fuller look. And then I'm just going to comb the hair and blend it with my natural hair. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, it's absolutely beautiful. Like, oh my god, it just looks so natural. I'm absolutely in love with the style, and I hope you guys enjoy and love the style as well. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share the video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.